Namaste viewers and welcome to this first riding vlog of this channel. Well, being a first riding vlog, I always wanted it to be special and exciting. And finally, I am so excited to share that I am going to ride to Statue of Unity tomorrow morning. It will be from Pune to Statue of Unity in Gujarat, which is around 560-570 kilometers. I'm going to be joined by another rider, my friend Ashish, and we are going to meet somewhere on the outskirts of Pune, and then from there we are going to go ahead. The plan is to start the ride early in the morning at 5 o'clock. The bags are ready, everything is ready, and it's just a matter of loading the bag, loading the bike, and just starting the morning. The route that we have planned to ride is starting from Pune. We will take the route to Lonavala, Khopoli, Thane, Ghod road, and Ghod road meets the Mumbai Gujarat highway at a hotel Fountain, and from there we will take a right turn straight to Gujarat. It is expected that the ride time would be at least 10:30 to 11 hours, but including breaks it might be a little longer also. So let's see. I'm really excited, and it's already a little late night today, but anyway, I'm almost ready. Want to take a good sleep of 3 to 4 hours at least, so that when I wake up in the morning I'm fresh and enjoy the ride. So see you in the morning. A hot cup of tea in the morning is a must to start the day. Guys, I could not sleep much last night because I just kept on thinking about the ride. Anyways, I just woke up. It's around 3:30 in the morning. So without wasting much time, let's get ready. The target is to leave by 5. Let's try. Guys, we are all set to ride. The only thing left is to load the bike now with luggage. It takes some time, so let's get down to the bike with luggage and let's mount everything. So guys, it is 5:15 and we are almost ready to start the ride. It's gonna take another 50 minutes by the time I reach to the meeting point where Ashish is gonna meet me. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I have reached the meeting point and I'm waiting for Ashish. It's 6 o'clock. We decided to meet at 6 and he should be reaching soon. It's fairly cold weather, but still okay, not very cold, and during the daytime it's going to be very hot, I believe. Looks like Ashish is here. Yes, he is. There you go. Okay, so we'll continue with our ride. Let me share my live location with family. 8 hours, and that's it. So just taken a short break after Khopoli. It was very cold and a lot of traffic on the route, so it was very tiring. Did not really cover much distance, but just needed a stretch break. So short break, and we will continue. We'll now reach to Panvel, and then we'll enter Navi Mumbai and then Thane. The traffic is going to create a problem. Let's see. We'll try to catch up as much as possible.
चमकने लग गया आँख में
नहीं, अभी थोड़ा ऐसे इधर से राइट लेंगे ना. अभी थाने आ गया. ये थाने में से निकल जाएंगे, अभी घोड़बंदर आ जाएगा. Almost 10:30, and we crossed Thane and then also moved ahead towards Gujarat. It was a bit difficult to find a good hotel for snacks or breakfast. Somehow we managed to come here. This is Simla Inn. Looks okay. So we'll just have some breakfast, recharge, and then ride ahead. Looks like we have traveled almost 200 kilometers by now, maybe little more, and maybe another 40-50 kilometers we will cross the state border, move from Maharashtra to Gujarat. Okay, so let me have breakfast and then we'll continue the ride. Okay, that's all. We are done with the breakfast. Now moving ahead. It is already getting hot. Let's see we can bear this heat, or else we'll have to take a lot of more breaks. We'll look for riding little non-stop, very short breaks. Let's ride. Oh my god, that was a horrible traffic. It's very difficult to ride in traffic, that also in such a hot weather. We just decided to take a short break. We were very tired, it was very hot, engines were very hot, so let it cool down. We also get cool down and continue riding after a break. We continued riding from Vapi to Surat, where the sun kept on showering lot of heat. We had to take another break and had a glass of cool sugarcane juice to stay hydrated. After crossing Ankleshwar, we took a right turn, and from here we were roughly 70 kilometers away from destination. And we took another break for a cup of tea and light snacks. Finally we are almost there. You can see on the signboard, just 30 kilometers left now. Although we are tired but excited to reach there. And you just saw a beautiful setting sun. We crossed the small town Rajpipla around 20 kilometers before Statue of Unity. We were mesmerized by the glowing decorations along the roadside just when we hit approach road near Statue of Unity. We reached a hotel, settled and relaxed. That's all for this vlog, and watch the next vlog part 2 for our visit to Statue of Unity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.